Well, hello everybody and welcome to another little Happy Travellers vlog. I'm very happy to say I have a little update on the repair that I'm going to make on the roof, because I've been trying to search around for the right colour gel coat, and I'd sort of settled on going back to Autotrail to press them again to find out what the colour was, the gel coat colour, and then to maybe go off to a gel coat supplier to have it colour matched. So went back to Autotrail, spoke to somebody there, and they were quite helpful, although they said, well, we don't make all the bits and pieces. They buy it all in ready coloured, so they don't have a gel coat number. And I said, well, look, is there any way you can ask your supplier? And they were quite obliging, so they said, yeah, we'll go back and ask the supplier of the skirts and the pod at the front. So they're all pre-made and pre-coloured. And she came back and she said, well, it actually matches Fiat White 249, I think it's H8H. But Fiat 249 basically is the colour white that Autotrail use. Now, I've noticed, looking at the van from a distance in reasonable light, I can see that there are lots of different whites all over the van. The cab colour is brighter and bluer than the rest of the bodywork, and the pod at the front is a bit more yellow in terms of it being white. So there's some real sort of differences in the colour that is used. However, I thought, well, I'll go back to East Coast Fiberglass, where I got the fiberglass repair kit and the original gel coat repair kit, which was too white, thinking that, can you match a colour? And I was expecting at some point to have to drive to East Coast Fiberglass to them to come out and match it against a swatch, or indeed send me a swatch so that I could match it and then order the right colour. And I said, look, I've got an Autotrail, it's a Fiat, it's white. They tell me it matches Fiat White 249. And she said, oh, well, we happen to have that in stock. Wow. I was absolutely amazed. And the more amazing thing about that is that on the day I'd phoned them, she said, oh yeah, we just started to stock it yesterday. So how amazing is that? So I've been waiting and musing and had lots of anguish over the where I could get the right colour from. Should I mix it myself with the powder colours and so on and so on? Anyway, I've ordered another gel coat repair kit with Fiat White 249. So I'm waiting for that to come. It should be here with us in the next couple of days. So I'm hoping that I can actually get up there again, test a bit out, and hopefully it will be about right. Now, she said that the little pot of gel coat would cover about a square metre. Now, I've only got like that much, probably, maybe 9 inches square to cover. A really, really small area. So I'm really happy that gel coat's coming. I'm hoping beyond hope that it's going to be the right colour this time, so I can get on. I think whether it's the right colour or not, I think what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and do the fiberglass repair, because that can be done and sealed, so that it looks like a reasonable repair, and the fiberglass will dry as a sort of white colour, so it won't look any worse than what's up there right now. which is a horrible dark patch of goo, which keeps it water sealed. While I've been up there, I've been noticing one or two other bits and pieces as well. Clearly, this van has been in some sort of accident before, because on the other side, I noticed when I was up on the roof, the inside, as you go up the side of the van and onto the roof, there's a sort of curved bit that comes back down, that is the front pod where that all fits in. So that the join there lines up with the sort of halfway down between the cab door and the habitation door, and there's as it comes up the side wall, it curves over onto the roof and then back down. But that bit there has gone all yellow, so it's obviously been some sort of paint repair, and I've noticed one or two other knocks and scratches that I have definitely not done, and I've noticed that around the back end also the gel coat is starting to crack. Now I think that's a fairly common thing, so if I get that bit right, I can just touch up that gel coat, rub it down and give it a good polishing, because I've now got twice as much polish for the gel coat as I really needed, because I bought 2 gel coat repair kits. Now what I will say is the gel coat repair kit, including postage, is 27, nearly 28 pounds. So but it'll do a big repair area. So if you've got a couple of repairs to do, for about 50 quid you can do a nice repair. If you're anywhere close to being decent on fiberglass, get that all rubbed down and smoothed over, and then paint your gel coat on and really wet and dry that back and polished in to give you a brand new finish, which is what I'm hoping to do on that roof repair. But anyway, so that's a really great update. I'm really happy about that. So that's it for today. It's a very quick update for you. We've moved on again from Broomfield Farm, and we are in a noisier campsite, and we're going to be here because I've got the hospital appointment tomorrow to have my head MRI scanned, and hopefully we'll find out what's going wrong with my hearing. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing so that you can follow our journey as we travel around the UK and Europe. And don't forget, we've got that big Spanish trip coming up in December. If you want to be a super subscriber and get a reminder every time we upload a new video, just click that bell and we'll send you an email to remind you. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And don't forget, keep those comments coming and keep connecting with the rest of the community. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye for now.